What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have yet again another product from this brand called OMT. The other OMT brand that I reviewed is the funnel, the oil funnel product. Okay. Now this one here is a pneumatic brake caliper tool with 2 caliper hangers. So it have 25 pieces in it. So here you go. Not gonna waste none of y'all time. They said 25-piece set with 2 hangers, in which I don't see the hangers. All right. Now my first impression, okay, I don't have the hangers here, you guys. They did not provide the hangers. Now, once again, I don't know if I told y'all, but this is my first time opening this. I have not opened this because I want to be just as surprised as y'all are. So here is something new for me, a little piston gun right here. Now, I'm assuming you hook up the air line to it. Yeah, you guys, this has been used before. And I didn't even order this used. Look at this. What should I do, you guys? Yup, you could tell because you could see that somebody tried to use it. Well, y'all probably can't see it, but I see the paint residue from the old tape that they used. You guys, I need to get my brakes done. I am going to send them a message. Look at that. Got residue on here too. Oh God. You guys, I didn't even get my caliper hangers. I wanted my caliper hangers because I want to hang my caliper, obviously. But guess what? We don't have it. So why are there 2 different airlines in here? And another thing, I don't have instructions, so guess once again, I'm your instruction guide. This don't even fit. Somebody put this in here, you guys. Let me see. What in the world is going on here? That don't even fit. This is a joke. I haven't even used this yet. I don't even have my air compressor up here yet. How do y'all like that? That's how you can determine whether or not you have something used, you guys. And this is obvious. Like, how would they just send it back out if you know it's used? This thing is like $70, you guys. $70. I want everything y'all said comes with it, okay? I do. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Let me tape this up. I'm going to tape this part here. Try to put it in here. And let's see. I will contact the company and I will ask them either for a discount or something, because no, this is unacceptable. You can't give me something somebody else used, not have the hangers. I could tell somebody used it. All right. They actually have an airline. I meant the valve, the inlet's 2 different sizes. Why is it in there? I don't know. All right, you guys, we're about to put some Teflon tape onto this thing. And I don't know, you guys. Somebody have already used this before. And we don't even have instructions on how to use this thing. So we are going to go with our best assumption. And hopefully we don't get injured. I brought my air machine up. We're gonna put that on like so. So it might have been a reason why they returned it, but we will see. All right, let me put some earplugs in and see what happens. You guys, I want to be as safe as possible, so I will figure this out. All right, you guys, if I'm talking too loud, it's probably because I have earplugs in. I just took one off because of the air pressure. Well, the air compressor be so loud. All right, so let's see. Hopefully nothing happened. All right, gonna put this in lightly. And what the heck? What in the motherland? Why am I going through all these problems? And it don't fit my head. That's why somebody else put this That's why. Yep. You guys? No. No. Not doing that. This is going back. Ha. It won't do it because it has a ring right there. Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. I'm supposed to be doing my brakes today. And this is a waste of time. This was a waste of my daggone time today. I don't have nothing that I can reduce. Let me see what I can do. That's why somebody returned the thing. Now I see why. You know what, you guys? I don't understand companies. You see how I'm going to return it? You see, it's going to be white right there, and it's going to be white left here just for somebody else to have, right? That's why they probably forgot to take it out, but that's why somebody put this one in. And unfortunately, the threads for this one not big enough. So let me see if I have any extra in my toolbox real quick. You guys, no to this product. Oh my goodness. I will not, no. Stay tuned.